Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel again, Tesla Tech Now. So today we're going to go to Home Depot, but we have a new software update today. We are on version 12.5.4.1, and I'll pop up these release notes, and then hopefully I can get a screenshot on the screen for you. So there's the actual Smart Summon notes, and then we've got FSD supervised 12.5.4.1, and there we go. So without further ado, we're gonna make a trip to Home Depot, and more specifically, besides the FSD update, I want to talk about the predictions for tomorrow's 1010 event. So we turn on FSD, have the car pull out. I'm just going to give it a little tap, and away we go. So let's talk about the predictions. Please pay attention to the road. Oh yeah, I guess the sunlight is causing an issue with the cameras. Probably some glare directly into the cameras. So tomorrow's 1010 event, if you don't know, it's called We Robot. It's Tesla's reveal event. So some of my predictions, and some of them I believe are not necessarily predictions, but they've kind of said what they're going to talk about. So first of all, FSD, full self-driving version 13, likely is revealed tomorrow. I did see that in a YouTube post. Sorry. Not a YouTube post, sorry. An X.com post. Oh, that was really good. It always misses the stop sign. So they've obviously updated, took my suggestions. So X.com, I'll post up a screenshot of that. So We Robot and version 13 of the full self-driving. Likely that will be what Tesla is going to use with the second announcement, their RoboTaxi. So Tesla likely is going to reveal a RoboTaxi tomorrow. There's been pictures online. I'm not going to post that. You can look it up yourself. It will be a smaller compact car. I don't know if it will have a steering wheel or not, or pedals. I'm going to say yes, because if the car gets into trouble, somebody's going to have to get it out of there. Otherwise, they'll have to tow it. So it seems likely there will be something. If it's going to be truly full self-driving, driverless, and it does have a steering wheel and pedal, perhaps it's something they can remove when it's doing the full self-driving for a driverless taxi. And if somebody needs to move the vehicle, they can bring a steering wheel and some pedals with them, or unlock them somehow. I also think, because they work on the RoboTaxi, they're also going to have a reveal of their next generation car, what everybody touts as the Tesla version 2 or Tesla Model 2. I think there will be a compact car. It will be a compact car. They said originally $25,000 US, but I suspect it's going to be more. That's kind of been Tesla's history. They promise low numbers and it gets a little bit higher. So I'm guessing about 30,000 American and probably about 40,000 Canadian. But that's going to be the tipping point where people will start buying cars. If that happens, which I believe it will be announced tomorrow, it will be a game changer, and it's going to be amazing. Why do I think that they're going to reveal that tomorrow? Because there is a book that was on Elon Musk by a fellow, which I cannot, Elon Musk by Walter Isaacson. And in the book they suggested that in 2025 they will release their compact car. So what better event than now to announce it and have it come out in 2025. So I think either the first quarter or the first half of 2025 we will see that vehicle on the roads. And then, because it's called We Robot, a electric vehicle that drives is a robot. And they also have their Optimus robot. I'll see if I can get a picture up on the screen. And likely they're going to talk about their next generation, next version of their robot and the features that it can do. So that will be super exciting. This event will be covered by a lot of people. I believe the event is at 8:30. I believe it'll be 8:30 Pacific time. Don't quote me. I will also put that up there. And yeah, there's also been some information about McDonald's posting something about 10/10, which is October 10th, the event. So I don't know exactly what that is referring to. I have no predictions on that. Many other people have predicted, so you can search that up if you want. Perhaps there's a deal with McDonald's and Tesla. I don't know. No clue. But I think that's all I have. Oh no, one more thing. Apologies. I think Tesla, when they go to version 13, they're going to release their own, I'll quote it as a competitor to Uber and Lyft, so that and it won't only be in the States for a small portion people, and it will be people who own their own vehicles as well, being able to use full self-driving. Ooh, let's not go this way, car. So I'm gonna take over. We're just gonna go this way. So that was blocked off. I think version 13 is gonna have reverse capabilities, especially if they're gonna use it for a RoboTaxi. So that should be pretty amazing. Let's see, let's park over by these pylons, and I'm gonna have my car pick us up once we're done. So stay tuned. Let's just do one more comment on the Uber Lyft thing. So yeah, FSD version 13 will be where people can start to use the full self-driving to do basically driverless taxis. So their vehicles, like my vehicle, could earn me money. I think you're still going to need a driver, because who wants to let people into their vehicle? You know, how are you going to protect your vehicle, right? It's your personal property. If you're not there, people can misbehave. They could be drunk. They could be whatever. So I think you're going to want to be here. I would definitely want to be here to look after my car and have it drive me around. And that said, I usually do Uber, and I turn on full self-driving all the time. So we'll come back in a moment. Hello my friends, just walked into Home Depot, got my bags, and we're going to go to Summon. And the car is 68 meters away, so as you can see on the screen. So the distance has increased on the actual Smart Summon, and we're going to have the car come to me. So I'm going to press come to me, and we're set to come to me, and let's go. So it is reversing out of the spot. There are some pylons to the left. And let's just see what it does. Going forward. Yeah, those are the pylons I was talking about. Okay, that's interesting. So I was a little confused about that gap in the parking lot, but now it's doing a good job. And we're up to 9 kilometers an hour. So now I can see the car coming to me. Make a left-hand turn. There's 3 or 4 pedestrians in front. So a car smoothly goes around. And people are watching that the car's driving itself. And we're having it stop right in front of us, which is perfect. Alright, now I let go of the button. Hazards are on, and that was perfect. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that quick demo of the full self-driving 12.5.4.1 and the new actual Smart Summon. So before it had a limitation of about 50 meters, and we were up to what, 67, something like that. Looks like it could do maybe about 80 or 100, somewhere's in that range. I haven't actually figured it out yet. I'm gonna let the car drive home. Maybe I'll have a second video of us doing that drive home. So if you click on the like, please hit the like, I should say, and hit subscribe and hit the little notification bell, and you'll get reminders of my new videos coming up. And thank you for watching.